Two.
This is Iron Sheik, World Wrestling Federation legend, October 13, along of the
Legends of the Ring.
Legends of the Ring Wrestling Convention. I'm gonna come back again after 4 years. My roast now. Again, I want to say October 13.
That's right, Sheik. After you haven't been to Legends of the Ring in 4 years. The last time you were there, we did the Iron Sheik roast. That was the first ring roast, and you were the first one. And now, 4 years later, you're coming back. But this time, no Scott Hall. Scott Hall, sort of got a little out of control the first time. But you're coming back now to meet all your fans.
Exactly. I respect Scott.
Kevin Nash. And he's going to be at the convention. Kevin Nash is going to be at the convention.
I respect Kevin Nash, but I don't respect the jabroni.
Scott Hall.
What is his?
Scott Hall.
Scott Hall, whatever his damn name is. And because, I'm the rare legend, not the jabroni, but his partner, Kevin Nash, is a good man. I have respect for him. Pleasure again for me to come back.
And it's October the 13th, Legends of the Ring Wrestling Convention. That's in Monroe, New Jersey at the Crown Plaza Hotel, right?
Exactly.
Exactly.